A large portion of Pittsburgh Regional Transit's Red Line is now closed until the end of August. All Red Line trips will be detoured via the Blue Line and will be renamed Blue Line to avoid any confusion. PRT is also offering free rail shuttles and buses to supplement access to communities in the South Hills. We spoke with riders impacted by this closure.
The bus is here waiting for me. I'm nice and cool, having a nice cool beverage. And I'm on my way home.
The T being down is such an inconvenience, especially on days like today. I know myself, I'm on medications that make me run warmer. So for days like today, when I have to walk farther because the T isn't running and the bus only goes to here, it's very difficult.
You can plan your temporary shuttle route using PRT's regular schedules as well as their app.